Welcome! Today I am with OPPO Find X2 Pro and I'm going to show you how we can change Always in Display theme. So we have to go for the settings, find home screen, lock screen and the Always in Display. Next, find Always in Display, tap on the right upper corner of this feature to enable this feature. And as you can see here we got the couple of the themes. I think that I'm going to apply this one. As you can see we can even resize this picture. I'm going to leave it like that. And then we have to click apply. And just take a look how it will be looks on the home screen, on the lock screen. As you can see, there it is. So that's how we can change theme of your Always on Display in OPPO Find X2 Pro. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.